Many mid to large size companies have dabbled with white and yellow belt training as part of their business improvement programs. Sadly, most of them end up disappearing as momentum is lost and costs are cut. Where I've studied these failures, the common mistakes has been to intentionally target the spread of awareness across the organisation of two things: the DMAIC problem-solving model and cause and effect concepts. Truth is, they should have been giving people something more than just awareness. They should have got a toolkit they could actually use to actively make improvements. As early as 2002, we realised that learning DMAIC and cause and effect tools was not really going to drive proactive improvement. Instead, it was preparing people to reactively respond to failures or event-based problems. The first port of call for proactively improving at that individual level is to remove waste from routine processes. That is essentially a lean focus. So in 2020, I developed a Yellow Belt program that does exactly that. One that arms every participant with a bundle of tools that they can use immediately in their own workplace to make work better and easier. A toolkit driven by the four most common contexts that every person is exposed to. In addition to the DMAIC model and cause and effect principles, this Yellow Belt program will enable participants to also learn these things: how to analyse work processes and remove time-wasting effort, how to use time and motion analysis to speed up core processes, how to organise a workspace for maximum flow and efficiency, and how to prevent from occurring errors that increase time and effort. Look, you might have engaged in wider Yellow Belt training in the past. Your company could even have a program in place right now. Regardless, this course will update what you already know with a very practical set of skills that you and all employees can use immediately to make life and work easier. This differs from any other Yellow Belt course you might have seen in that it drives actual improvement over and above just awareness. It is a level 1 practitioner development strategy in action. It comes with formal certification based on an applicant actually generating some legitimate improvement in their own work. So, take 5 minutes to look at the course information and let's work together to turn what used to be awareness training into something practical that generates actual improvements.